Welcome to Project Vape Light. Today we're taking apart the Oxbar BX6000. Now I kinda don't like this vape because of how unsanitary the mouthpiece is with the injection punch hole things there. It just like spit and vape juice just collects there. And I don't like the color, it's like snot green, it's pretty nasty. So with our tried and true impact method and our trusty opening device, we get the floor plate off and everything is in there nice and tight. A bit too tight. You can see here I've been trying to use pliers, all sorts. I've edited out the other tools I've used, and you can see I'm slowly pulling it out here. The blasting cap. The heat shroud is still inside the reservoir holder pad. And it's kind of full, and you see it just messes up my PVC plate. And this was really stuck. I've cut out how many minutes of footage, and you see it just pops right out because the whole reservoir assembly taped to the battery thing was being stuck by glue. You can see 550 mAh out of a 13400 cell. There's the inside, nothing inside except a piece of silicone to keep it sealed. And here's the charging board. I just don't like it. It just gave me so much problems. All of the wires are so brittle. I mean, it's not meant to be taken apart, but So that's all of the innards. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.